I'm going to make a rant on Supernanny. Before I start the rant, for everyone who likes this series, I respect your opinion. But if anyone who hates this series, I am going to send a spider in someone's bed. Sorry about that. Enjoy. Supernanny, more like stupid dummy. OMG, this series stinks. The real Supernanny is about kids misbehaving. But now it turned into a Toca Boca series and blood was in it. Stupid, I like Toca Boca. This thing gave me nightmares and gave me a tummy ache. No one gives a cutie pie about Supernanny and the other characters, not in the whole entire infinity. I hope the series gets cancelled soon and taken off the air. You know who likes this series? Abby. She wants to go join the cast, but no, she from YouTube. I hate this series. The real Supernanny is 1,000,000 times better than the Supernanny now. End of rant.